6:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. First things first, let's get into the charts because we do have a chance we can roll over even farther here. What I want to start out with, though, is yes, I know a lot of you guys are asking me about the leverage trading on KuCoin and how I'm 20xing. I have an announcement. I'm done leverage trading on the futures market simply because too many people are going to get hurt by it. And yes, I've had success doing it. It's been fun, and I've also been able to teach. But at the end of the day, a 20x leverage, 10x leverage, 8x leverage, 5x leverage, it's all very risky in gambling. And now your shares are not yours. So I stopped with the futures trading as of my last trade. Had a nice successful one. And I've been sending my proceeds over to Lobster wallet via XLM and buying up assets on there. So right now I'm liquidated out of the crypto market, buying some stuff on, side markets. But I'm no longer going to be leverage trading or margin trading, leverage trading, or 10x or whatever you want to call it, or futures trading, because I think it builds a bad style of trading. And I also think too many people in my audience are going to be affected. So that's not going to happen anymore. I can't accept that. So don't ask me anymore. I'm not going to do it anymore. Not going to show it anymore because I'm going to show you how to build your stacks properly to where they're yours. You don't lose them. The shares are yours, and yada, yada, yada. So XRP, we got to get into this. XRP is coming up to the top of our channel right now. We're within a symmetrical triangle, but once again, within the symmetrical triangle, XRP, like it likes to do, it forms a channel. And within, we've had moments where we broke up, but I think this is a nice distinguished channel right here where it's actually proven that up here where it fell down. And now you come farther down. Here, let's bring it into a smaller time frame so you guys can see it. What happened here? Okay, there, that's better. So this is for a smaller time frame, so it's easier to see in the 5 minutes. So that's what we're looking at here. This is the channel, and right now we're up in it. We broke the 75,328 right now support. We came back and back tested it. We need some volume. We got a little bit in the 5 minute, but we are way overextended here in the 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. So it's going to be hard to get out of this area, but if we do, our next stop is 76,104. If not, we come back down and we do this again. We'll come back down to about 75,315 if we don't have enough volume. So that's what we're looking at. It's very tight. If you're not in a position, I'd probably sit back and relax. If you're in a position, I would sit back and relax because until it breaks this channel, you're fine. If it breaks the channel, you're going to go all the way down here, guys, to 74,249. And if it busts out of here, out of the channel, you're going to come up to about 70. It's going to go higher than that. If it breaks out of this channel, it could be a pretty nice gain. It's going to be up to at least 78 to 80, but it could make a big run if it breaks this 76.1. That's what we really need to do when we get back into the wider channel. That's the big channel that we need to get into. Right now, the problem is we're going to be back testing the broken channel, and that would bring us all the way down to minimum 68 and then down to probably 58 or 52. So we need to get back on the top side of this. We've got XLM. Similar style pattern as XRP. It's trying to push back out of here, but we have a major resistance zone at 202. If we can't break that, look for it to come back down, and it might have to come back all the way down to 19.7 to find support. And yes, I have it in the 5 minute because this looks like a broken bearish continuation pattern. We tried to fall out, and now we're breaking back up. The problem is, though, is we don't have a lot of volume. Stochastic is way getting into the overbought, little consolidation, and now DGB. Whoops. DGB's at 2626. It's been kind of stuck in this area for a while. But we have 2617 as the support. We're trying to create some kind of inverted head and shoulders. If we can break out of this and use this as support, we're kind of looking okay on the RSI in the smaller time frame. But we might have to come down here to 2559. But either one of these two levels we hold, we could make a run at 2716. Make sure to hit that like button. I highly encourage you to join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. We're falling. We haven't got very many members this month, which is fine. It happens. But I would appreciate the support. I do a lot of work for you guys, and for $9.99 a month, you get the free Telegram, free classes, and allows me to keep the content free on YouTube.